right now.
Okay.
Well, I went to user management,
Okay.
then went to program member manager,
Okay.
and the screen it's this program member management. I don't know if there are all the users. I think so because of the long list we have here
Okay.
with the names, the electronic mail, everything.
Mm-hmm.
So I exported the CSV file. I don't know if you did the same.
Okay. Export TV.
I
Okay, I see that.
I exported it, and the file was not well organized.
No.
No, it's like crazy words everywhere, and you, oh my god, what is that? But
Exactly.
I found a solution as you to okay. I'm going to show you how did I do. This is the file. When you open it, you find this.
Okay.
And well, this is not good to read. It's terrible.
Yeah.
No. But I had a solution for getting this file, be this kind of file with all the columns well done, and the emails we have the emails here.
Okay.
I think it's the most important for you to get.
Exactly.
So well, what did I do? First of all, I created a new Excel file,
Okay.
a blank one. I went to the tab Data. Mine is in Spanish, but it's the same.
Yep.
And here in Data, you go to From Text.
Okay.
You look at the file. In this case, this is mine.
Okay.
Well, for default, you have the text file here, but please check that you have the option here.
Okay.
You import it, and
Okay.
we have this assistant for this file.
Okay.
This is the first screen, and you go to check delimited.
Okay.
For characters as commas or tabs, determine the columns and that stuff.
Okay.
You don't need to touch this.
Okay.
You go to next.
Okay.
Then in here you have a lot of options. You go to comma, and as you can see,
Okay.
we're going to have a very well and better file for reading.
Okay.
You go to next. Here you don't need to touch anything, and finish.
Okay.
You accept, and you have this better file. I don't know if it's what you need, but you have the email, the city, the interest, the functions of the if the person is an instructor, a webmaster, an administrator,
Yeah.
the city. Well, you have all the information that, as long as we can now with Drupal, we can get. Anyway, if you find this is not enough, I have a pair of modules you could install, but as I said, for all these installations of blocks, modules, panels, we need access to the server. So we cannot do it from here.
Okay.
Here. We cannot do it from here because we need to get to the server and there make the old installation things. But as far as I know, there is a group of engineers working on that, as far as I know.
The engineers are here working on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that information well, I don't know if now it's different, but the last year with Daniela,
Okay.
she left, but with Daniela, we try to work on some of these issues because I have been working in a lot of issues, trying to make some solutions with the tools we have now.
Mm-hmm.
So, well, the name of the modules I'm going to put it here are
Okay.
user export module and views data export, wait, data export module.
Okay.
But right now we can do it like I showed you,
Okay.
and you get this, you save it, and you can manage it and use it as you need.
Okay. That's good. This is helpful for you right now. Thank you very much.
No, you're welcome. I'm happy to help. Unfortunately, with the Mailchimp stuff you told me,
Mm-hmm.
we had a problem because we have the Mailchimp module here
Okay.
right now.
Yeah, I saw that on there, but it didn't seem like it was working.
Yeah, why not? Because we need another two modules in order to
Oh,
this for work. We need the Mailchimp campaigns and Mailchimp list.
okay.
That's why you, well, there is Mailchimp here, but how can I use it? There's no way because we need these two other modules. I'm going to write Mailchimp campaigns module. This is a module. E Mailchimp lists. Oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. The view data and user exports,
Okay.
there are no modules.
Oh,
They
okay.
are blocks. Sorry.
Okay.
There is a difference in Drupal, so I'm going to write it again. Block, 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 block.
And with those two blocks, what will we be able to do?
Yeah, because with the Mailchimp list, you can add the users to create a campaign
Okay.
for sending the emails you need, or maybe some well, everything you can do with Mailchimp.
Okay. Okay. That
And
makes sense.
yeah, and that's why it is not working right now.
Okay. So if we're able to add the user export block, the view data export block, the campaigns module, and the list module, then we'll be able to have when people create an account and subscribe
Yes,
to the newsletter, that will directly link them into our Mailchimp lists. And when we use Mailchimp to create a newsletter or a campaign, they'll be in there, and we can just send it to them.
yes, yes.
Oh, beautiful!
That's
Beautiful.
the idea of these two models. Even
Okay.
you can use even a mandrill, which is another feature of Mailchimp
Okay.
to manage emails and things like that.
Okay.
But well, another thing you could think about is the Drupal version. Why?
The Drupal version of.
Of the system, because we are, I think it's the version 6, and I don't know, as far as I know, the Mailchimp module works better with Drupal 7.
Okay. So they need to update Drupal.
Anyway, this is very delicate to work with because
Yeah.
all the website is going to be updated. So that's a better work for engineers.
Yeah.
It's a work that they could help us to do very well without not damaging anything
Yeah.
Tephinet not exploding, everything getting
Yeah,
well.
that would be bad. That would be bad. And do you think that with when they do update it, some of the other issues that we're seeing with the website will maybe be fixed?
Yes.
Okay. Okay,
Um,
so I will suggest that to Renee because we're having a lot of stuff isn't showing up right and there's a lot of formatting issues and it looks different whether if you're signed in as an administrator
yeah.
or if you're just like looking at the web page. So it's pretty bad. It
Yeah,
doesn't look very good.
I know. As I said, I was working with Connie with a lot of crazy things in this website. For
Mhm.
example, if you create your user account, you put your picture, you're so excited to be there, and when you go to library, there's no picture. So
Exactly.
there is a problem with the databases that Drupal
Okay.
uses, but there is a I don't know what is going on there. Um, it was not solved as far as I know. I,
Okay.
I can see my picture in the library website, but well,
Yeah. Yeah, like I was this morning I was trying to move some of this stuff around, like the blocks and the panel blocks and stuff. And it's when I'm signed in, they're where I moved them to. But if I sign out, then they're not. They haven't moved.
oh my god.
Yeah. Or and in that the scroll bar or the scroll block that's at the top, if you're signed in, the pictures are there and the formatting
Yeah,
of the text is normal. But if you're signed out, there's no pictures.
yeah, it's true.